Hey guys, Ed here. In this quick video I'd like to show you how to check oils and fluids in 2019 and up Nissan Altima. So first thing, let's pop the hood. Find the latch, raise it up, put the hood on the stand. Alright, so now let's start. First thing, this right here is our engine oil dipstick. You should check oil when the car is cold, okay? So usually it's first thing in the morning before you start the car. Get your dipstick out and look at the reading. So I'm gonna put you guys here and we're gonna get the dipstick out. Push you guys over here. So grab the dipstick, take it out, get a napkin or a rag or anything, wipe the oil off, wipe it clean, put it back inside again, get it out. And now look at the reading. Right now our reading is right at the middle, which is the way it should be. And the condition of oil is a little bit brownish, okay? So the car has 11,000 miles. The oil was changed a couple of times, I believe. And well, it should be changed again soon. So if we have to add oil, that's where we do it. This is our cap. We open the cap and pour some in. Of course, when you pour oil in, you don't want to overfill. That's why you always check using the dipstick the level of oil in the motor. Next thing is transmission oil. Okay, now the thing is, Nissan uses this cap right here. It's not user-friendly dipstick. But it's actually a dipstick, so they don't want a regular consumer to open it and get it out. So I'm not gonna explain you why and how to check and stuff like that, but yeah, this is the dipstick. So the next thing is our brake fluid. This one is DOT3. The level should be up to the max sign right here, okay? It should be nice and clear. The thing is, the brake fluid doesn't evaporate, and if you're missing some, it means you're leaking somewhere. Usually it's calipers, but you know, in 2019 car right now, it's 2019, shouldn't have any problems like that. But again, if you are leaking some, you're gonna lose brakes, and well, you can actually see it by missing some brake fluid there. If you have to add some, you just open the cap, pour some in. But if you have to add some, it means you already have to go to mechanic. So open it, pour in the brake fluid, close it and go straight to mechanic. Next thing is power steering fluid. There is no power steering pump. No, there's no power steering fluid in this car, since it uses electrical power steering pump. So that's one less thing to worry about. Radiator cap right here. Coolant reservoir is right here. Okay, you never open this or this cap if the car is hot. Okay, it's overheating or something. You never do that. Right here you have level, min and max. Hope you guys can see it. Min and max should be in the middle. And if you have to add some, you open this cap, pour some in. As you can see, this one uses original Nissan antifreeze, which is blue color. So you should use accordingly. Windshield washer fluid. That's our dipstick right here. Yeah, well, usually how I top it off, whatever, just buy windshield washer fluid and top it off till the end. That's it. Don't worry, it's not gonna ruin nothing, you're not gonna break nothing, and you'll be fine. In extreme situations, if you have to use some, you can actually add some water and just use regular water. It's okay. One more liquid thing is in this car is the AC, but I wouldn't recommend doing no work on AC system if you are not familiar or you are not mechanically inclined, since the thing is, right here we have lower and high pressure hoses. That's where you actually put in the freon in case if you are low on freon and, for example, you're leaking somewhere or something. But this system is under pressure, and you might do damage to yourself, or you might do damage to the car. So that's something mechanics should actually look at. Okay. Otherwise, so motor oil, windshield washer fluid, coolant, brake fluid is yours. Okay guys, so I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button. Have a great day.